Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on Dolby Atmos. Okay, so just follow the steps that I'm about to show if you want to turn it on. So pull down the notification panel twice, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says sound and vibration, select it. And then scroll all the way down to where it says Dolby Atmos. Go ahead and select it and then turn on the little switch. So now it's turned on, and here it explains what Dolby Atmos is about. So Dolby Atmos delivers a premium listening experience through your phone's loudspeakers and connected devices. So what this basically does, it delivers a premium listening experience through either your Bluetooth speaker or your headphones. Okay, so here if you select the little settings icon here, it will bring you into the settings. Okay, so here we have the loudspeaker section, and here we have the spatial audio option. So audio from compatible media becomes more immersive if you select this option, the spatial audio. Here we have stereo audio. So this is smart audio. So smart audio identifies the content and performs automatic adjustments to deliver the best sound. So you can choose this option if you want by just selecting the little round box there. And here we have the music option. So if you select music, what's going to happen is it's going to deliver rich, detailed audio that delivers every note and beat with power you can feel. So if you're like me and you like to listen to a lot of music, this would be the option to select music, because you're going to get the best music quality if you select this option. And beside it you have a pen. If you select the little pen here, it brings you into the music settings. And here on the left we have the bass option, and on the right we have the treble option, and here we have the equalizer. And here we have the presets. So there's brilliant treble. If you like to listen to your music with a lot of bass, there's bass boost, vocal boost, and also the flat option. And then here we have surround virtualizer, which you can create a sound experience through your connected device. That would be your Bluetooth speaker or your headphones. So you can turn that on if you like to listen to the music through your Bluetooth speaker or your headphones. And then here we have volume leveler. So here the same volume level for each audio source. Okay, let me just go back into there as well. Okay, wait a minute, let's come out of there. Okay, let's move on to film. So here we have film. So if you like to watch movies, this would be the option to select. And what happens when you select the film option, it delivers authentic surround sound and a clearer dialogue for the full impact of films and TV shows. And once again, you have the little pencil there, the little pen beside it, and you can use any one of these presets. So brilliant treble, bass boost, and vocal boost, or the flat option. And then if you're a gamer, if you like to play games, you can select the game option here. And what the game option does, it delivers surround sound and clearer dialogue for an immersive game experience. And once again, if you select the little pen beside it, you can use any one of these presets: brilliant treble, bass boost, vocal boost, or keep it set to flat. And then here we have the podcast option. So boost dialogue for better speech and clarity. And once again, we have a pen there where you can use any one of the presets. And this is the fun part. This is the part I enjoy. You can actually use the custom option here. So the custom option, it's an advanced settings for your connected device. And if you select the pen, now we've got the equalizer, we can actually customize ourselves. So you can turn up the treble and the bass. So you can do it manually. And then here we've got the presets for the equalizer. So it's set to manual. That's the reason why we can adjust these ourselves. And then you can use any of the other presets like brilliant treble, bass boost, or vocal boost. And once again, you can turn on the surround virtualizer, which creates a surround sound experience through your connected device, which would be your Bluetooth speaker or your headphones. So yeah, this was just my video, guys, showing you how to turn on Dolby Atmos on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.